Hi, I want to show you how to put on and take off soft disposable contact lenses. First thing you need to do is wash your hands. Now you should wash your hands with soap and water and dry them on a towel that doesn't have lint, or ideally paper towels like I have here. We shouldn't use hand sanitizer when we're going to touch contact lenses because we don't want any residual sanitizer going onto the contact lens or onto your eye. So you've washed your hands with soap and water. We're going to grab our contact lens. This is a daily disposable contact lens. If it's a reusable contact lens, then it's going to be in the case that you've stored it in overnight. So we open the contact lens up, we pull it out, and we check it's the right way around. Your eye care professional will help you with understanding whether the contact lens is inside out or the right way around. And also, some soft contact lenses need to be orientated a particular way on your eye, particularly if you have astigmatism. So your eye care professional will help you with that information as well. So I'm right-handed. I've got the contact lens on the index finger of my right hand. I'm going to bring my left hand right over the top to hold my top eyelid. And your top eyelid is the enemy in this whole process. It's the thing that wants to slam down and kick the lens out and stop it happening. So we want to use a couple of fingers to grab our top eyelid. Now I'm going to use the middle finger of my right hand to hold my bottom eyelid and make sure that I have enough space to pop the lens on. When you're a new wearer, you won't be able to look at the lens and see it coming at your eye. It'll just make you want to close your eye. So it's easier to line things up. Make sure you have enough room and then look away to pop the lens on. Or else I'm going to show you a technique where we're going to tilt our chin down and put the lens on just a little bit low. So it's not too far off where it's meant to be, but it's easier to handle. I'll show you that now. So I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I'm bringing my left hand over the top to hold my top eyelid. My middle finger is holding my bottom eyelid, and I'm just going to gently place it the wide of the eye. Now it's sitting there a little bit low, so I'm going to look down towards it. That helps it settle up over the colour part of the eye. Let go of my bottom lid first, and then last thing is let go of your top eyelid. That's going to help the lens to settle on your eye, and remember your top eyelid is the last thing you let go of, because it's the enemy. It's the thing that wants to push the lens out. So I've put the lens on low, I've looked towards it, and then carefully let go of my eyelids. If you have looked away, say you've looked up and away to put the lens on, you need to look down and back towards it before you let go of your eyelids. So that's how you pop a contact lens on. Now I'll show you how to take the contact lens off. Now when we take the contact lens off, again, we want to make sure we've washed our hands with soap and water. And you can just use your writing hand, your dominant hand for this. That's my right hand for me. So we're going to go back to the mirror, tilt your chin down and look up at yourself in the mirror. And if you look at me now, you can see all of this white of my eye that we have to work with. We're going to slide the contact lens onto the white of the eye. Now when we're looking in the mirror, we can make sure we just touch the edge of the colour part of the eye, which is actually touching the contact lens. You put a little bit of pressure on and slide down. Bring your thumb in and pinch it off. If you slide down and let go and blink, the lens just splits right back up to where it's meant to fit. So make sure when you slide down that you slide down, keep your finger there, bring your thumb in and pinch it off. And if you keep looking at yourself in the mirror, you are only going to touch the contact lens. You won't pinch your eye or pinch your eyelashes or anything like that. It takes a little bit to master, but once you've done it 5 or 6 times, it gets a whole lot easier to do. And once you can put contact lenses on and off easily, your whole world opens to you. Contact lenses offer so many benefits for your vision correction and additional benefits for controlling vision changes in short-sighted children as well. I hope that's helped you.